Located on one of the largest water frontage lots in the gated community of Forestbrooke Estates is a large floor plan with a private pool, sparkling waterfront view and 3-car garage with brick paver driveway. Inside, a 2-story open foyer with a large transom window for natural light separates both formal rooms. 2. New 17-SEER HVAC, installed in 2018, offers comfort as you walk towards a huge family room and kitchen with 2 sets of glass sliding doors opening to the screened enclosed private pool. Each area features large tile flooring and 6-inch moldings. The kitchen provides newer grey stainless steel appliances such as the range, microwave and dishwasher. Black Galaxy granite accompanies multiple cabinets with upgraded pull-out drawers, built-in pantry, adjacent walk-in pantry, and brushed stainless steel faucet. Off the kitchen is a den, or 6th bedroom, with extra air conditioning ducts and upgraded electrical, ideal for home computing, plus there is a full-size laundry room and half bath. On the other side of the family room is a full guest suite with a full bath. Upstairs, a large open loft looks upon the master suite, master loft landing, storage room, 3 additional bedrooms, and 3rd full bath. The corner master suite features 2 big walk-in closets and master bath with double sinks, corner garden tub and walk-in shower. The outdoor area with iron backyard fencing offers a delightful water view and is great for entertaining. Down the street is a private waterfront community area with viewing walkway, separate dock, barbecue area, and gazebo.